بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل اللهم مالك الملك تؤتي الملك من تشاء وتنزع الملك ممن تشاء وتعز من تشاء وتذل من تشاء بيدك الخير إنك على كل شيء قدير تولج الليل في النهار وتولج النهار في الليل وتخرج الحي من الميت وتخرج الميت من الحي وترزق من تشاء بغير حساب. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, say, O Allah, honor of sovereignty. You give sovereignty to whom you will, and you take sovereignty away from whom you will. You honor whom you will, and you humble whom you will. In your hand is all good. Indeed, you are over all things competent. You cause the night to enter the day, and you cause the day to enter the night. And you bring the living out of the dead, and you bring the dead out of the living. And you give provision to whom you will, without account. Sadaqallahu al-Azim.
Jazakallah. I now request Vice Admiral Muhammad Abdul Rahman Al-Ghurabi, Chief of the Naval Staff, Royal Saudi Naval Forces, to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, Vice Admiral Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman Al-Ghurabi is an officer of high intellect and excellent administrative qualities, which earned him the reputation of being courageous and professionally competent officer. He distinguished himself through commitment and high performance at important command and staff appointments throughout his illustrious career. In recognition of his service and achievements, Admiral was appointed as Chief of the Naval Staff, Royal Saudi Naval Forces. Ladies and gentlemen, Vice Admiral Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman Al-Ghurabi received his formal naval education from King Fahad Naval Academy in 1988 and graduated with bachelor's degree in naval sciences. The Admiral has the distinct honor of being alumni of Pakistan Navy War College, Lahore, wherein he completed his master's in 2005. The Admiral has distinguished himself in various professional and academic courses from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and abroad. The Admiral displayed academic brilliance and professional competence throughout his illustrious career, which earned him many gallantry and distinguished service awards. Ladies and gentlemen, Vice Admiral Al-Ghurabi, Chief of the Naval Staff, Royal Saudi Naval Forces, is a sincere and close friend of Pakistan. He played prominent role in expanding mutual cooperation, cementing professional relationship between two navies. Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition of his achievements in strengthening the friendship and professional cooperation between brotherly countries, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is pleased to confer the award of Nishan-E-Imtiaz military to Vice Admiral Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman Al Ghuraibi, Chief of the Naval Staff, Royal Saudi Naval Forces. Now I request the Honorable Admiral to please come on the stage and receive the award of Nishan-E-Imtiaz military from the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Honorable President, may I have your permission to close the formal proceedings of this special investor ceremony? Ladies and gentlemen, the proceedings of this special investor ceremony are now closed. Guests are invited for refreshment.
इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद से चीफ ऑफ रॉयल सऊदी नेवल फोर्सेस वाइस एडमिरल मोहम्मद बिन अब्दुल रहमान अल गरीबी को निशान-ए-इम्तियाज मिलिट्री से नवाजा गया है। ऐवान सदर में इस तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया, जहां सदर ममलकत आसिफ अली जरदारी ने नेवल फोर्सेस एडमिरल मोहम्मद बिन अब्दुल रहमान अल गरीबी को निशान-ए-इम्तियाज मिलिट्री से नवाजा है। इस मौके पर वज़ीर दिफा ख्वाजा आसिफ भी मौजूद थे। सऊदी सफ़ीर नवाब बिन सईद अल मालिकी भी इस तकरीब में मौजूद थे। इसके साथ साथ आपको ये भी आगाह करें कि इस तकरीब में अहम शख्सियात ने जो है वो शिरकत की। तकरीब में पाक बहरिया के सरबराह एडमिरल नवीद अशरफ भी शरीक हुए। ऐवान सदर में निशान-ए-इम्तियाज मिलिट्री देने की ये तकरीब है, जिसके मनाज़र हमने आपके साथ शेयर किए।
में नहीं आता हूँ। कोई आके कह के बलूचिस्तान की सड़कें बंद करेंगे, हमने सड़कें खुलवा के आपको दिखा दी, मैं प्रेशर में नहीं आता हूँ। मैं इस केस पे भी किसी प्रेशर में नहीं आऊँगा। जो आइन और कानून का रास्ता होगा, जो विक्टिम्स को सपोर्ट करेगा, जो विक्टिम जो बेचारे मारे गए हैं उनको इंसाफ दिलाने में जो भी रास्ता अख्तियार किया जाएगा वही रास्ता अख्तियार कीजिए।